crash course on German tourism. An overview of Germany's major tourist destinations, including historical sites, cultural landmarks, and natural wonders. Sure, I'd be happy to help. Germany is a country that is rich in history, culture, and natural beauty, making it a popular tourist destination. From stunning castles and cathedrals to picturesque towns and scenic landscapes, Germany has something to offer everyone. In this crash course, we will explore some of the top tourist destinations in Germany and the experiences they offer. One of the most iconic landmarks in Germany is the Brandenburg Gate in Berlin. This stunning neoclassical monument was built in the 18th century and has played a significant role in German history, including being a symbol of the country's division during the Cold War. Visitors can admire the architecture, take a stroll through the nearby Tiergarten park, and learn about the gate's history at the Brandenburg Gate Museum. Another must-see destination is the famous Neuschwanstein Castle in Bavaria. This stunning fairy tale-like castle was built by King Ludwig II in the late 19th century and is said to have inspired Walt Disney's Sleeping Beauty castle. Visitors can take a guided tour of the castle's ornate rooms and enjoy the breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and lakes. For those interested in history, the Berlin Wall Memorial is a powerful reminder of Germany's division during the Cold War. The memorial features an outdoor exhibition, a documentation center, and a viewing platform where visitors can see a preserved section of the wall and reflect on the country's tumultuous past. The city of Munich is also a popular destination for its rich history, cultural landmarks, and famous beer gardens. The iconic Marienplatz Square is home to the famous Glockenspiel, a musical clock that chimes twice daily. The Nymphenburg Palace and Park, located just outside the city center, is a stunning example of Baroque architecture and offers visitors a glimpse into the lives of Bavarian royalty. In terms of natural beauty, Germany is home to several breathtaking landscapes, including the Black Forest, the Bavarian Alps, and the Rhine River. The Rhine Valley, in particular, is a popular destination for its picturesque towns, vineyards, and castle ruins. Other notable destinations include the historic city of Dresden, the charming town of Rothenburg ob der Tauber, the scenic Lake Constance, and the beautiful island of Sylt. Here are the top 12 tourist attractions in Germany. 1. Brandenburg Gate. 2. Neuschwanstein Castle. 3. Berlin Wall Memorial. 4. Marienplatz. 5. Nymphenburg Palace and Park. 6. Black Forest. 7. Bavarian Alps. 8. Rhine Valley. 9. Dresden. 10. Rothenburg ob der Tauber. 11. Lake Constance. 12. Sylt. In summary, Germany has a lot to offer tourists, from stunning landmarks and historic sites to beautiful natural landscapes. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or outdoor adventures, there's something for everyone in Germany. And now, without further ado, here is a poem about the beauty of Germany's tourism destinations. Poem. Germany, land of beauty, art, and grace. Where ancient tales still linger in each place. With stunning landscapes, rich history, and more. Its wonders will forever leave us in awe. From Gothic cathedrals to museums galore. And quaint little towns that offer much more. There's something for everyone here to explore. In Germany, where memories are made for sure. The Black Forest, Bavarian Alps, and Rhine are just a few of the gems that truly shine. But don't forget Berlin, Hamburg, and Munich. For the urbanites, they're a must-visit tune. So come and experience Germany's delights. From the warm smiles to the fragrant bites. And let its treasures fill you with delight. Germany, a place that never fails to excite. Song. Verse 1. Oh, Germany, your beauty knows no bounds. From the mountain peaks to the seas surround. With each step, there's a new story to be found. A tale of culture, history, and profound. Chorus. So come and see what Germany has to offer. Where the past and present come together. A land of wonder, where hearts take flight. Germany, oh Germany, what a sight. Verse 2. From the Brandenburg Gate to the Neuschwanstein. There's a marvel waiting for you to come in. Where the cobblestone streets lead you to begin. And the rhythm of life takes you for a spin. Chorus. So come and see what Germany has to offer. where the past and present come together. A land of wonder, where hearts take flight. Germany, oh Germany, what a sight. Bridge. The people, the food, and the history. All woven together, what a mystery. Germany, a place that's full of life. Where adventure awaits, and dreams come to life. Chorus. So come and see what Germany has to offer. Where the past and present come together. A land of wonder, where hearts take flight. Germany, oh Germany, what a sight. ***, we hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Germany has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Germany, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Hub Metaverse Team.